Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music, where we're making lessons that inspire the learner in you. And today we're doing another love song. We're doing another Valentine's Day themed song, and this is a country song. It's Me and You by Chesney. And this one I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do this version of the video where I talk through the chords and I tell you how to play them. Then I'm going to do a play-along version of the video that's similar to a lot of the Halloween songs that I did. And then I am going to do a version on just the solo and have that in a play-along as well. And I'm going to have a poll in the description. Once I get all the videos up, I'm going to have a poll, and you tell me which one you like the best. Do you like a little bit of all? Do you like one better than the other? Because I want to create the content that you guys want to watch, and if you would like to hear me explaining and talking through the things, then I want to do those types of videos for you. If you just want me to shut up and you guys want to just follow along with the tab, then that's cool too. So just look for those videos, watch them, and vote for your favorite. Alright, so we're going to go through this one, and this one, just like if you watched my video on She's Got Away, this one has two parts as well, so it's going to be very similar to that. A lot of things about this one are very similar to that song. Even some of the chords are the same. And so we're going to start with our first part, and that's the verse. And so let's just go through the chords. So it goes G, D, E minor, B7, C, G, D. Alright, so let's talk through this a little bit. So we start with the G, and if you just want to do your pick going through it, I would suggest you start with the E string and then skip the A string and then play the D, G, and B and come back up. So it would look something like this. But I like to add a little extra to it by plucking the, actually I pluck different strings, but if this is a new technique for you, just try plucking the root note. So for this one it would be G, and the B string each time. So let me just go through what that would look like. So for the G string, you would pluck the G and the B. I mean the low E and the B. For the F sharp and D, you would pluck the low E and the B again. For the E, you would pluck the low E and the B. Now on C, you would pluck the A and the B. And then for D, you would just pluck the D string and then the B. Alright, so let's go through those chords again. So you've got G, then D slash F sharp, E minor, B7, and on B7 I'm playing the A string and the B. C, G, D. All right, and that's it. So look at the chord. I'll have some chord diagrams below, so just check out the chord diagrams if you're not as familiar with the chords. But like I said, that pattern that I'm doing is I'm just doing that pluck with the root note and the B, and then I'm just playing the D, G, and B strings. So D, G, B, D, G, B, E, B, C, G, D. And what what I do on that D, since it lasts a little longer, is I'm gonna just do that plucking pattern, but I'm gonna go straight down. When I get to the high E string, I'm gonna lift up my finger, then put it back down. So. And when I'm doing that, I'm going down strokes, going down, up, coming up. All right, so that's the first part. Second part goes C, G, D, G, C, G, D. Same part. C, G, D, E minor, A minor, A minor, okay, so pretty much as you go through this one, that pattern's gonna stay the same. And then you get to the E minor and the A minor, and I'm gonna go over that one, but let me go through the chords real quick. So just remember, you're keeping the pattern the same. So C, G, D, G, C, G, D. And that's the first pattern through the course. C, G, D, E minor, A minor. All right, so when you get to A minor, you're gonna stay on that for 2 full measures. So it's gonna go. D for 1 full measure. And that's it, guys. If you are trying to memorize these chords, then the video is probably hard for you to follow along with. But don't worry, I have a webpage that you can go to. You can have the chords there right in front of you. And if you need help with, I've got the tablature showing you that picking pattern that I'm playing. And if you need help with just how I'm doing that picking pattern, then you can rewatch the video. So guys, stay tuned for those videos that I have coming out a little bit later that will have a play along for this song. And then I'll have another one that goes over the solo. And I want you to tell me if you like the play-alongs better, if you like the talking better. Just let me know. I'm also going to have a question in there that if you would like me to find a way to shorten these up. With these chord videos, I'm not sure, other than all of the stuff I'm talking about right now, how I'm going to find a way to shorten them up. But I really just want to know what you guys want. So if you have a request, leave that in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, guys, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.